Hey, it's Rob here. Are you living from paycheck to paycheck? You know, 60% of Americans would not be able to pay an unexpected $1,000 expense, according to a survey by Bankrate. With the US government shutdown, we are seeing just how vulnerable people are. Other research indicates that the situation could be even more dire, with 78% of American workers saying they're living paycheck to paycheck. That's according to a 2017 report by employment website Career Builder. How do we let this happen? I've experienced both sides of the equation where I've been living from paycheck to paycheck and where I've had a nice bank balance. And I can tell you it's very stressful living from paycheck to paycheck. You have a bill arrive and you just don't know how you'll be able to pay it, or you're dreading opening that letterbox knowing that bills will be arriving. There are also things you have to miss out on in family situations. You have to cut back on holiday spending or gifts for Christmas, birthday presents, that type of thing. On the other hand, having a nice bank balance where if an emergency comes up, no worries. If a bill comes in, no worries. You're all able to cover the expenses without any stress at all. So if you're one of these people living from paycheck to paycheck, I know what it's like. I've been there and it's just not fun. But you're in luck. If you're watching right now, you're able to do something to change that. You might need your credit score improved, and then after that you can get funded for opportunities that will increase your income and cover your bills. So the number one thing you need to be able to do now is cover bills. After that, you have the feeling of freedom. Then you can learn how to better invest your money, how to get into financial literacy courses and improve your overall situation. But right now, you need to take action. If you sit here and just watch this video and do nothing, you'll be in the same boat in a year. But if you take action now, you can really change your life, and it's really worth doing. So message me or fill in the form if you see it, name and email address, or like I said, message me. Details will be on the page depending on where you're watching this from. So I hope you have a great day.